What's up, fam and friends? Kelvin again. For this one, I want to talk about tuning. And I've like struggled with tuning since I first got my drum set years back. It was a D-Drum D2 Blood series, Blood Red actually. It was a wrap. I struggled tuning that drum. I really struggled. And I think for a while I started buying like a bunch of stuff. I bought new hoops. I bought a lot of new heads, and I think my problem was just tuning. I didn't know how to actually tune the drum, and I was always scared of tuning drums because, like, when I find the right pitch and the right sound, I was more worried about how do I get that sound back after, a few weeks and, after a while, right? That was my biggest worry. And so, I made a lot of mistakes there. And fast forward, to now and a few years back, I have actually improved my tuning skills. Like, I can tune a drum set, but I'm a bit OCD in a way where it's like, if I get the right sound, I don't want to lose that sound, right? So I invested in a DrumDial, and with the DrumDial it's so easy because like I have my numbers, so I can always get the same sound every single time, and I think that has helped me a lot. So yeah, go get a DrumDial, guys.